Hi everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. I am so thrilled to take you on a tour of this incredible French country inspired home. This place was once a classic style ranch house. Wait till you see the stunning transformation. I cannot wait to share this with you. Very quick video. I hope you all enjoy. Let's go ahead and dive right in. If you are new to my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by. I normally do home decor and things like that in my own home, but since I have been documenting the process of this renovation at my mom's, I thought I would share this really quick video with you guys because it was just too good not to. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button so you are subscribed to my channel and you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. You're also going to want to follow me over on my Instagram, which I will leave everything in my description box. I'm going to start here in the kitchen, and this was the biggest transformation of all. It went from dark and closed off to very bright and open, and the layout, everything has been completely revamped. And it just looks so much more beautiful. If you go around the corner here, I'll show you in just a second, there's some open shelving, this copper sink, which is to die for, and from the countertops to the stove, everything says French country. And this transformation was just so incredibly breathtaking. This area here had a door which was eventually closed off, and then the laundry room and pantry ended up being back through that door there. Now you see where we placed the stove, or my mom placed the stove, and she closed off the area where the door was, replaced it with a beautiful refrigerator, and look at this range. Isn't it gorgeous? And then here to the right, as you can see, the door was closed off, and then that refrigerator was placed there, and then there's open shelving across from that, and then the pantry and the laundry room. This is what the laundry room and pantry area looked like before, and it was just dreary and needed a lot of work. And here is what it looks like after. Now we are walking back from the pantry area into the family area, and this is before and this is after. My mom really loved the concept of super high ceilings and all the openness that there was going on in here, but the darker wood just was putting a damper on the vibe that was going on and her style. So she decided to paint all of the wood white, and what a transformation it was. It brightened up the space. It actually made everything appear a little bit larger and the ceilings a little bit higher, and it just gave off a very, very comfortable vibe. This ranch style home has 2 master bedrooms, and this is the smaller master bedroom, and this was before it was painted dark and the wood was dark. Everything was dark in here, and just by adding some paint and a few small details really changed the look and feel of this bedroom completely. Lastly, I'm going to share the master bedroom, the larger one, with you. This one had a fireplace, the ceilings were much higher, and beams were removed, some paint was added, and it really did make a big difference, even though there wasn't too much of a change going on besides removing the beams and painting everything. And then here's the bathroom just off of her bedroom. It's looking beautifully so far. She still has a couple more things to do in here, but other than that, this is her home tour, and I will be sharing more as she goes along the way. I hope you guys stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what your favorite part of this video was and what you loved most down in the comments. Have a beautiful day.